Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 4, Week 2, Day 3. I'm going to say 2 words. Listen, meal, peel. Meal and peel rhyme because they both end in the same sounds, eel. I will say a group of words. Tell me which 2 words in the group rhyme. Meet, rate, seat. Meet, seat. Bead, weed, beg. Bead, weed. 1 second on me. Play, team, hay. Play, hay. Say, see, be. See, be. Shirt, shield, dirt. Shirt, dirt. Book, beak, crook. Book, crook. Okay, friends, let's review. So EA says E, EE says E, E says E, and IE says E too. So 3, 2, 1, eat. 3, 2, 1, sleep. 3, 2, 1, he. 3, 2, 1, niece. 3, 2, 1, she. 3, 2, 1, sweep. 3, 2, 1, clean. EA says E. Where's E? 3, 2, 1, speak. E. 3, 2, 1, thief. 3, 2, 1, leave. 3, 2, 1, free. Okay, we'll do one together, then I'll let you do the rest. Eep. Word, deep. Your turn. Word, me. Your turn. Word, bee. Like a bee that buzzes. Your turn. Word, leaf. EA says E. Blend. Word, weave. Okay, so that's E. Word, niece. So hopefully you remember sneaky C says S, and then IE says E, so it's niece. Okay, let's look at some of our sounds for today. 3, 2, 1, E. 3, 2, 1, sh. 3, 2, 1, re. 3, 2, 1, ing. Really quickly, RE is our prefix, and it means again. Rerun, run again. 3, 2, 1, ch. 3, 2, 1, E. 3, 2, 1, z. 3, 2, 1, un. Do you remember what un means? Not. It means not. So if you're unhappy, you're not happy. 3, 2, 1, I. 3, 2, 1, ter. 3, 2, 1, pre. 3, 2, 1, hua. Do you remember what pre means? That means before. That prefix means before. Like preschool is before school. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, A. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, A. 3, 2, 1, O. Okay, let's look at some words together. So we know this is E. Team. Word, team. Your turn. 3, 2, 1, C. Together. Seed. Word, seed. Your turn. 3, 2, 1, eat. 3, 2, 1, sea. This is like the ocean. 3, 2, 1, sleep. 3, 2, 1, teach. 3, 2, 1, shield. 3, 2, 1, tree. 3, 2, 1, cheese. 3, 2, 1, seat. 3, 2, 1. Wheel. Okay, let's look at some of these other ones. The first row we're going to do out loud. So remember re is a prefix and it means again. So this is read, to read again. Okay, so we have heat. Preheat means to heat before. Okay. Un is our prefix, which means not. So unreal means not real. Okay, go ahead and don't look at the un yet. Do this in your head. 3, 2, 1. Zipped. So unzipped would be not zipped. So here's my re. Look at this word. 3, 2, 1. Freeze. Now add the re. Refreeze. To freeze again. Okay. So there's re. Let's look at this part. 3, 2, 1. Pay. And it becomes repay. Pay again. Just do that part. 3, 2, 1. Hook. Unhook is not hooked. Okay. Let's do this one together. Prepaid. So paid before. Okay. You can do this one in your head. 3, 2, 1. Shopping. 3, 2, 1. Bathrobe. Okay. Let's look at our sentence here. Here we go. Dean needs to plant those seeds. Okay. And our next sentence says, Jean, EA says E, please preheat the meat for lunch. So that means heat it again. Okay. Oh, heat before. Preheat means heat before. So Jean, please preheat the meat for lunch. So heat it before. Okay, here we go. Here are our sight words. Because. I like the dress because it is blue. Blue. I like the dress because it is blue. Into. We jumped into the other lake. Other. We jumped into the other lake. Or. I will take a large piece or a small piece. Small. I will take a large piece or a small piece. Okay, here is our story for today. It says, The Green Eel. So do you think this is fiction or nonfiction? If you said nonfiction, you're right. And what tells us it's nonfiction are the pictures, because they're real. So let's look at our story. 3, 2, 1. Look. 3, 2, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1. Lives. 3, 2, 1. Does. 3, 2, 1. Water. 3, 2, 1. Can't. 3, 2, 1. Where. 3, 2, 1. By. 3, 2, 1. Because. Okay, here we go. Let's look for patterns. There's E for teeth. That's about it. Okay. So here we go. The green eel. Together. Look. Can this be a snake? It is flat from side to side. It has 2 sets of teeth. No, this is not a snake. Okay. Let's look for E, 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 E. Wow, that's a lot of E's. Okay, here we go. It is a fish. It is a green eel. The eel lives in reefs and creeks. It does not live in deep water. The eel hides in rocks in the day. It waits until the end of each day, then it sneaks and hunts. Ooh, look at those teeth. Okay, E, 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 E. Okay, here we go. Ready? The eel can't see well, so it uses smell to hunt. The eel can reach into small cracks and holes where fish hide. It will feast on fish, blue crabs, or squid. An eel has lots of big fangs or teeth. It eats fish piece by piece. Okay, here we go. Let's look for, there's an E, 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 E. Okay, here we go. Ready, begin. Do other animals hunt green eels? We can't tell. It seems the green eel stays safe because of its big size and lots of teeth. Okay, so that's an interesting story. So once again, we are talking about prefixes. A prefix is a part of word that is added to the beginning. So my root word is sweep, but if I put re means again, so that means sweep again. I had to re-sweep the drive after the wind blew leaves everywhere. Re means again. Okay, here's my root is read. Pre is a prefix we put before a word. It changes it. Do you remember what pre means? If you said before, you're right. Like preschool is before school. So pre means before. So pre-read would be to read before. Pre-read means what do you do before you read? We will pre-read the table of contents. Okay. Our next word, the root, is clean. We add our prefix at the beginning to change the word. Do you remember what un means? If you said not, you're right. Like unhappy, not happy. So un means not. So unclean means not clean. The classroom was very unclean after the party. Okay, so let's look at these words. And then we're going to see how the word changes as we add a new word. So let's read this. Happy. Hold on. So happy. That's 2 syllables. Now what did prefix did I add? I added un, which means not. So let's read it. Unhappy. Did you notice how un becomes a new syllable? Unhappy. Okay. Now we have freeze. Freeze. That's just one. But if I put re, which means again, refreeze, I have 2 syllables now. Refreeze. And re means again. Okay. Next I have read. So let's do read. That's 1 syllable. I have pre, the prefix pre, which means before. Pre-read would be 2 syllables. So when we add our prefix, it adds a syllable. And once again, please remember un means not. Re means again. And pre means before. Okay, so we'll keep working on those prefixes. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye, everyone.